Hey, I'm Myers Barnes. I'm a new home sales strategist. I want to tell you a story. This is the ultimate story of hope. You know, you probably already know this story because it's appeared in every piece of literature you've ever read. Now it's going to go something like this. One day, a person like you decides to embark on a journey. It's a supernatural journey to do something out of the ordinary, something that's going to make a difference in the world. And although your desire is to accomplish great things and to be a hero, you're unsure of your abilities and reluctant to leave your comfort zone. But finally you do leave, and along the way you're surprised to meet a very wise man that empowers you with secrets, magic, and words of wisdom. Feeling more confident, you travel on, searching for a castle in some faraway Camelot, where you'll do wondrous things and find true happiness. So now, armed with a pure heart, the wise man's gift, you assault the enemy, you overcome the challenges, you slay the persistent fire-breathing dragon, and in the end, you uncover a priceless treasure, win the admiration of many, and you're going to live happily ever after. Story sounds familiar, doesn't it? It's been the plot of fairy tales, movies, romance stories, even biographies, because literature mimics life. We all hope for something better while struggling daily to overcome the conflicts within our world and ourselves. We're constantly seeking to slay the dragons of doubt, to discover the treasure, and to win the accolades from the critical crowds. And we dream of riding into the sunset to live happily ever after. But how many of us are really willing to pay the price to make that dream a reality? Because after all, wouldn't it be simpler to just fast forward past all the struggles and arrive at our just rewards? Yeah, it would be easier, but not better. Because it's the heat of the battle that forges our spirit, and that's what fortifies your soul. It's the process of fighting the dragons and overcoming obstacles that shape each and every one of us into who we are, and it makes us appreciate what we have. So regardless of how you define success, one thing is evident. Success is not a matter of luck. It's not a matter of accident, coincidence, or even the reward of a virtuous life. It evolves from a commitment to plan, to prepare, and to persevere. And remember, success does not come to you. You go to it. And although the trail is well marked, it is certainly not well worn. Success is the result of making a conscious decision to backpack your emotional baggage, get up, step out, and start over instead of sitting out life's game on the bench. So, to accomplish wonderful things and to reach your Camelot, your vision must be followed by adventure. It's not enough to stare up the steps. You also have to step up the stairs. So how do you do it? By realizing that you're the author of your own life story. And if you don't like where you are today, just do a rewrite. You can have a new life and you can become a new person. That means reinventing yourself, refreshing old attitudes, discarding all the stale beliefs, and reprogramming your thought patterns. So you not only begin, but you also anticipate a journey toward higher learning, self-improvement, and personal success. You know, my personal vision is to impact the lives of others who are seeking a strategy that will shatter their own self-limiting beliefs so they can become what they want and have the life that they want. That's why I write the books, conduct the seminars, and meet with the clients all over the country. My immediate goal is to impact your life so that you can be that someone Ralph Waldo Emerson referred to when he said, "What I need is someone who will make me do what I can't do on my own." So as we travel the road towards success together, I trust that it will lead you to sunset, self-reliance, and someplace where you'll live happily ever after. And I pray that I'll make a difference in your life because you've already made a big difference in mine. Thanks. I'm Myers Barnes, and you are appreciated.